Hello and welcome. There has been a new update to that of Manu Video Game Maker. So now you can update your older version for improved performance. So you have an update for that of Manu for Windows and also that of macOS. So the previous version was 1.0.1 alpha. This new version has .146 added to it. And to check exactly what they've added or what improvements they've done, you are going to have an email sent to you once you get to their website and leave your email behind so that you can download the game engine. So according to Manu Video Game Maker, you have now shared textures will be applied automatically. So now you can apply textures automatically across other models, 3D models. We have implemented the update system into the launcher window. So your first window, which you see when you double click on the Manu video game icon, you're going to see the update system over there whenever there's an update, and they'll be doing that every few months or so. So Manu is now fully portable. Yes, with the zip format you can now share Manu, and it's portable so you can share among your friends. All required libraries are included, so you don't need to install them. So exactly as it says, all lists work much faster now that it does work. The scene tree is now using more icon types. Unsupported or broken models will not cause crashes. Now this was a problem in the previous video game maker or the previous version. In the previous version, it just kept on crashing almost every single time, and that was quite troublesome. For now on, global objects sun and sky can be added to the animation from the scene tree. All value types in keyframes will be applied automatically. Groups can now be ungrouped. A horizontal scroll is now supported in all panels. Retarget is now limited to the supported features of specific object type, and overall performance and stability are now improved. So let's check it out. Let's check the game engine itself. So right here is the structured format of the game engine. So you have Manu 1.0.1 alpha.164, and when you launch the game engine from your launcher screen, this is it. So I think this is exactly where they are going to be giving the updates of the new versions that are going to be provided. So you click on create a new project to get that started. So right here you have a new project, and this is the new version. So you can tell that not that much has changed according to its looks. I mean, the looks are still the same, but I think there's something about it that makes it just better than the older one. The older version was just so poor in terms of its visuals, and also the fact that when you try to do anything it lags behind. This one is faster. It's like there's no lag at all. Now the performance is way better. You can scroll, I mean, using the 3D box is even way better than I remember using the older one. So the newer version is now way better in terms of performance, in terms of speed. It's better. So the scenes are still the same, nothing has really changed. The scroll down has really improved. On click you just have it open, it doesn't take that much time. You have your boxes and your plane just as it were over here. Also you have your libraries where you have your primitives and that of your other objects that you can use, which also hasn't changed that much. If you click on an object to add, I think reaction time very fast. I mean, I just clicked and it was there, so that is a plus. Also there's no delay, even though the previous version didn't have any particular delay. When you're adding textures, you can easily add that. Also click, and once you have a texture you can just add. So that is also very fast. Now let's get to that of the animation mode. So this is the animation mode. Also nothing has changed over here, the same mode. So clicking, wow, okay, they've added a few things. I didn't used to see wedge and that of sphere. In the older version there was no wedge and sphere, so they've added a few things over here to that of the menu of right here of the timeline. So let me check sphere up. Wow, so if you should run that of the game mode, it's also very fast. So with just a few clicks you have a character performing flips, and you can easily move across your background. So it's also fast, performance is also very good. So the new upgraded version is way better. So go ahead and try it out. Get to the website, leave your email. If you are new to this video game maker, then you should leave your email. Definitely, it's a good game maker and it's going to improve over time. It's just in its alpha stage, so it's definitely going to keep on improving. So go ahead, download the game maker and then start making your own 3D platformer games. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.